think we're there. So I've added these events are firing as we are viewing this document. So with this this example in this demo, there's now down the bottom this enable PDF analytics. So that turns on this SDK firing events, and then I'm surfacing those events into Bubble. So what that looks like is, so that's happening. So that's what these notifications are. So obviously, when you implemented that, you wouldn't implement notifications. So here, what we've got is there's a separate event from the plugin. So what I mean by that is elements, PDF. So there's page view, hyperlink open, blah, etc. I've implemented all of these. So when a hyperlink is opened in the PDF, this event will fire, and obviously what you would do then is create and write a database entry, and you would you know who the current user is when this fires, and additionally for those events that have some bit of data, useful bit of data attached, like which link was opened, I've added those. So if I've added those so that you can see something. So if I copy something, I'm not sure I can copy protected documents actually. I'll switch to another document. So this is the second part. Now if I switch to here, I can now, when I load a new document, a new PDF, I can optionally turn off the, so at the moment this one doesn't have print, but I'm going to open this one with print in show PDF. So now we've switched into this document, and this now has these options. And if I cut and paste something, copy text, the text is copied. If I do it again, it's a timing thing. If I copy that text, so I copied the word UI. So this is a bubble thing that's going on. Basically, when the event fires that something's been copied, it takes, you need to have a delay. You need to build a delay into here. So when hyperlink is opened, see how there is an exposed state on the plugin, which is the external URL that was clicked. There is a timing issue with these, so when you're implementing and there's nothing I can do about it, that's just the way plugins work. And so what we want to do is, when this event fires, you want to delay a second or so until you go and check for what this property is, because the population of this exposed state and this event are firing asynchronously. So I've implemented all the default analytic ones, apart from bookmark, because I can't imagine how useful that would be. So I think you've got enough now. I think this is everything you need. So here's a link. So let's see if that, do you want open link? Did it fire? Hyperlink opened. So yeah, so it fired the hyperlink opened. But it had the timing issue. It will be there. It's just we just need to manage the timing when these things fire. So I think that is what you need for this to get you going. So I won't make any announcement about this. It'll just be a feature that's there, and so hopefully that is enough to get you going. That's the link I opened. What I do notice, if I go to one with multiple pages, like this form, this page view fires quite frequently. So now I'm on page 3. So you are going to get quite a lot of this is how frequently the the event is firing from here. So you might not want to populate into your bubble database every one of these events. You might want to have some sort of aggregation, so you just time when someone was looking at page 3. You only write, I don't know, it depends how granular, how much of these stats you want to keep. You could just populate everything. So there you go, and let me know how that works for you. I've spent about 3.5 to 4 hours on this, and I expect there'll be some feedback and we'll deal with that. So I will upload this video.